Okay, we're up by Cambria Street. I'll show you a couple more places here. And we got a request. We're showing our own rentals here, but some people who have asked about rentals that we don't do. And we're going to go ahead and show those too. Just because, you know, just because we don't see any reason not to do that. So somebody asked about the Royal Canadian. That's behind me. I'll be there in a second. Place did all right. There's a little cottage. We run out. Looks like it's got a little pickup, but the sandbags are removed, so they're obviously back in business there. There's somebody boarded up who hasn't come back yet. Another shot of the beach. You just can't come down to the beach and then not look at the beach. It's like, I think there's a law. Alright, there we are. You can see a little bit of water action left over there. A little brown streak is where water would have run. You can see there's people out there. In fact, there's two people. Hi. Two people in beach chairs out there. So that's awesome. Some tourists stayed here on the island, and some left. Some left just for the storm or are coming back because their rental spans the distance on either side of that. The bridge to the beach opened up last night, and so the beach is open. There's nothing stopping anyone from coming here, and there isn't any damage that's dangerous that you got to worry about. So the authorities aren't saying don't come in or anything. There's really no reason. Now, that being said, there's a rumor that they closed our state border for driving. I don't know what that means as far as airplanes go, but I hope they're not stopped. I don't know how long that's going to last. And honestly, I don't know exactly how the rest of the state is doing. Okay, here's a palm tree that went down, went right on through that fence there. This is kind of what we're seeing, is trees that fell. Palm trees just snap right off. So we've seen some with the heads of the palm tree snapped off, and that one obviously broke off right at the base. Alright, there's a couple guys cleaning up. Okay, we got the North Beach Hotel there. Looks like they survived just fine. A little facade repair needed there, I think. Alright, now I'm not going further north because that's residential up there. We don't have any rentals up there, and no one has asked us about that. Here is the Royal Canadian that I got a specific request about. Looks like they don't have power, just because their sign isn't on. But obviously someone was here because all their chairs are set out neatly, so somebody is taking care of the Royal Canadian, if that is your concern. Somebody did have that concern. Look at the weather, jeez. It's nice. No, they said they'd be on by the end of the day everywhere in the county. Hey, thank you. That's what they said. So, all right, here we are at the Shipwreck Bar. paddleboard company. Alright guys, I'm heading to my car, and then I'm driving to South Beach. I'm going to show you the pier too. We got a distance shot of the pier right after the storm, so we'll see what it's looking like now. And this old house in front of us has ancient shingles, and it looks like they got torn up. Alright guys, I will check back in a moment.